Hi guys, I am Ritam from class 8B, Techno Group Public School. Today I am here to show three experiments on Newton's three laws of motion. The first law of motion tells us about the idea of inertia, which means that a body which is at rest continues to remain at rest until an external force acts on it, while an object in motion continues to remain at motion in one direction until an external force acts on it. So let's first prove the Newton's first laws of motion with an experiment. So as you can see, this is an empty glass and a playing card and a 1 rupee coin. So the two objects, the coin and the card, was at rest from the beginning. So while I pull the card, you could see that the coin falls in the glass. But as you can see, the card came to my hand, which means when I pulled an external force on this card, it moved, but the coin wanted to remain in a state of rest from the inertia of rest. So we can conclude that Newton's first laws of motion holds true. Now we are proving the Newton's second laws of motion. So let me first tell you about the Newton's second laws of motion, which means that force equal to mass into acceleration. That means what this means is that the value of the force is dependent on the value of mass and acceleration of the object. So let me first prove it with the help of an experiment. So as you can see, these are two bowls of flour containing. Okay, so I am first taking two objects, one of stone and one of crumbled paper. Okay, so now I am just throwing these two objects from the same height, as you can see here. Now see, these two objects fell into the bowl. So what you can see the difference is that this stone has gone deep into the bowl, but this paper hasn't. The gravity of the earth, which is the same for all the objects, that means the acceleration is uniform here, but the masses are different. This paper ball has less mass than this stone. As you can see, this is heavier than this paper ball. So as you can see here, the depression is not much more, but here the depression is more than this depression. So you can see that that this stone has more mass, and so it has exerted more force on the flower, and this paper ball has less mass, so it has exerted less force on this flower. So we have proved the Newton's second laws of motion. Now we come to the Newton's third law of motion, which gives the idea of action and reaction. So here, as you can see, this is a wall. When I exerted a force on this wall like this was the reaction. My hand felt a little hurt. Why did this happen? This means that the wall exerted an opposite force on my hand, which causes the pain in my hand. This was the reaction. So you could see that the action and reaction. So this was all about the Newton's three laws of motion. Thank you for watching this video.